Good morning, kids. How are you all today? Good? Good. So, today we are going to start with our new chapter called Magic with Scratch. We are going to learn something of Scratch, chapter 9, page 100. Now, when you hear the word Scratch, what thoughts come to your mind? Who can tell me? Scratch. While hearing the word Scratch, what comes into your mind? Yes, scratching your head, scratching your hand. We can also see scratch on our cars. But right now we are not talking about that scratch. We are talking about another scratch. And what is that? Scratch is the name of a program developed by MIT University. MIT University is in America. Scratch helps kids learn programming concepts by making stories and games. So it's a program that help you and us, all of us, to make games and stories with the help of codings, programming codings. Now, our LO for today is I can code. Now, you can see two pictures in front of you, okay? You can see 2.0 and on the left you can see a picture at the top written 3.0. Now what is this? Actually these both are the versions of Scratch. In our book they have given about 2.0, okay, but now we have the latest version of 3.0 Scratch version. Now I'm going to show you the difference between these two, 3.0 and 2.0. Now this is the presentation mode. You can see in 3.0 where is this presentation mode, and in 2.0 where is this presentation mode. Let me show you in Scratch. Now this is our Scratch interface of 3.0. Now here, where can I see my presentation mode? It's on the right side. When I'll click on it, this is our presentation mode. It will get into a bigger screen. Clear? Okay, let's go to the next one now. Menu bar. In 3.0 and 2.0, menu bar are at the top, but the only difference in 3.0 is that there is a search bar in it. Next, we have toolbar. Now, in 2.0, the toolbar is again at the top, but whereas in 3.0, the toolbar is in the middle. I'll show you in my Scratch version, new Scratch version. You can see this is our toolbar. Clear? Next we have stop button. Stop button are at the top. They are red in color. Stop button means to stop something, to stop a program. Next, we have green flag. Now what is this green flag? To start something. Let me show you. Now when I'll click on this green flag, what will happen? The cat is moving. When I'll click on stop, it will stop. Green flag, it will start, and clicking on the red spot, it will stop. Clear? Okay. Next we have blocks palette. Now in the new version 3.0, you can see it's on the left hand side. Okay, you can see on the left hand side, and in the old version it's in the center over there. Okay, now this is an interesting part. Let me show you. You can see all these blocks palette over here: motion, looks, sounds, events, controls, sensing, operations, variables, and my blocks. All these are blocks palette. We will all study this later on. I'm just giving you an introduction to it now. Next we have stage. Now stage in both versions, you can see it's in the word there with the white area. This is stage in 3.0, and in 2.0 this is our stage. Next, this is our stage area. Okay. Next we have cat sprite. You can see in both versions it's the same cat sprite, sorry. Next we have sprite list. Sprite list, you can see this is our sprite list in 3.0 and 2.0 is that. Let me show you in our Scratch programming. Now, this is our area. If I need to change my sprite, I will go and click on it. I can see number of different sprites in front of my eyes. Now, at that, yes, I can see banana sprite, ball, cat. Again, I want to add something else. Now, at the top, I can see animals, people. If you need picture of animals, click on animals. If you need the picture of people, go and click on people. Okay, so these are variety of different sprites in Scratch. We can choose any over here. Next we have new sprite button. Now it's the same thing what I told you right now. If I need to change my sprite, if I need to add another sprite, I'll just go and click on it. Okay, let me show you again. I'll go and click on that, click on it. Again, variety of sprites will come in front of us. Just click whatever you want. Food, sports, music, whatever you want, it will come over in your stage. Clear? Okay, next we have the script area. In the new version, it's in the middle of the interface, and in the old version, it's on the right side of it. Let me show you. This area is known as the script area. Okay, clear? Okay, let me tell you how to download Scratch 3.0. Okay, go to scratch.mit.edu/download. When you'll go here, it will open this window for you. Okay, this is Scratch. Now you can download on Windows 10X, Mac, Chrome, Android 6.0 plus. So class, I want everyone to please download this now in your computer so that you can start working on it. You can start playing with the code so that you can make your own games. You can make your own sprites move. Okay, please. Thank you. Okay class, let's create our first Scratch project. After you are done with downloading your Scratch program into your computer, open Scratch, go to File, click on New. Okay, so this is our interface. Now here we are going to make our first project. Okay class, let me show you how our finished project will look like. Okay, so let me just run presentation mode. Now you can see. What did you see? That the cat just said meow and it moved. Yes? Okay. Okay. Let's run again. Then what it happens? See? It has bounced. Okay class, I will run this program again and just see what happens. So class, what did you notice? What did you notice? That the cat said meow and it moved, and when it reached the edge, it bounced back. Yes, and the color changed. Yes? Okay, I will tell you each and everything side by side. Okay? Okay class, let's start. Now, first of all, go to looks block and look for say block over there. Drag it and bring it out in our script area. Now, where they have written hello, you can type over there, this is my first Scratch project. Let us run and see what will happen now. So, did you see? It's showing us the message, this is our first Scratch project. Now we are going to add sound to the cat. Now from where we are going to add sound? Yes, you guessed it right. You will go to sound, click on sound, and you will drag play sound meow outside. Okay, now let's run this one and see. This is my first Scratch project. Okay, let us run this program. Oh, it says that it is my first Scratch project, but there is no sound meow. Why? See, this is the problem with 2.0 version and 3.0 version. In 2.0 version, it was okay, we can run it. But in 3.0 version, we are working on 3.0, so it will not work. So let us just go to events and drag this when green flag. Okay, just drag it outside at the top and let's run it now. Let's see. See, it's working now. When the green flag is to start and the red spot is to stop. Once again. See, it's working now. Okay, now we are going to animate the cat. For this, you will go and click on looks, and then you are going to click on switch costume, drag it outside and just paste it under play sound. Okay, now let's run and see what will happen now. This is my first project. Meow. Okay, why it did not move? Why it did not move? Can you tell me? Okay, just see the movement, just see the movement of the legs of the cat. Why? Why nothing happened? Because I'll tell you. What the switch costume to costume 1, there is an arrow. Click on that and click costume 2. And now run the program again. Okay, did you notice the cat's legs? Once again, let's run it again. Come on, let's see once again. Okay, let's run it again. Why did the legs did not move now? Why? Because the costume, switch costume, we are in costume 2 now and we are doing it manually. I will show you later how to automate it automatically. I will show you later. Okay class, let's make the cat move. Now how will the cat move? You will go to motion, click on motion and then you will click on move 10 steps. Yes, put it down. Then we are going to change the color also of this cat. Go to looks, you will say click on change color. Yes, this one, bring it down. Let's run and see what happens. Okay, the color changed. Okay, the color changed. Now okay, let's run this program once again and please note what happens at the end. Okay, what happened? That the color changed and it only moved a little bit. 10 steps. Now for this, what we are going to do? We are going to go to events and we will drag repeat loop outside and we'll put it inside. Yes, over there. Okay, now move 10 steps will come in repeat because we want it to move, repeat and change the color also repeatedly. Now let's try. Now what did you notice now? That the cat moved and the colored also changed. Repeat by 10, so it will repeat by 10 times. Okay, once again let's run this program again and please note what happened because I'm going to ask you at then what happened. So what happened? It moved 10 steps and the colored also changed. Now repeat 10. The 10 is only a value. If I'll change that, I can also change that 10 to 50, 20, 30. Okay, now I'm going to change the value. Okay, let's change the value to 3. Let's see what will happen. Let's run the program now. So it moved. Okay, now let's change the value to 1 now and let's see what will happen. Okay, this repeat. It's like a loop. Whatever value is written in it, unless it is done, it will not go again up. Okay? Okay, kids. I have included a bonus code to explain more about repeat and move. What is repeat? Repeat means how many times the action will take place. Okay, and move step means steps, like we take one step with our feet. So let's say if we want the cat to take 10 steps repeated by 10, it means 10 multiplied by 10, which will give us 100 steps. Let me clear it out. I have created a cat race for you. You can see by your own eyes what happens. Okay, now I have created three cat sprites. Okay, cat 1, cat 2 and cat 3. The codes are same in all the three cat sprites, but the only difference is the repeat and the move. The cat 1 repeat is 1 and the steps are 100. In cat 2 repeat 1 and step 1. Repeat cat 3 repeat 100 and move step is 1. Now as I will run the program, just see what is going to happen. Okay, let's run. So what did you notice with this cat race? We noticed that the cat 1, it took 100 steps. It moved 100 steps in one go. Okay. Cat 2, it moved only one step in one go. And cat 3, it moved one step but 100 times. Now, I want you all also to try it in your home by doing these three cats, doing this cat race, so that the concept of repeat and move will be more clear to you all. So I hope that the concept of repeat and move is quite clear to you all, but if you have any doubts, please ask me again, okay? Now, let's run, coming back to our program, and let's run this program again. Now, the cat, as you can see, it has gone inside. Now, to bring it back, how we will do it? I'll show you how. I'm going to go and click on motion, and I'll click on if on edge bounce. If on edge bounce, I'll bring it outside, and then I'm going to click on set rotation style. Okay, now I'm going to join it. Okay, and now I'm going to run my program and see what will happen. Let's bring our cat back to its position. Green flag, start. What did you notice? That when it touched the edge, it bounced back. Let's do it again. Okay, class. Let's run our program. Oh, see? What happened? What did you notice? That the cat bounced back. Again, once more. Halas. Okay? Our background looks so boring and empty. I want to put some backdrop to it, some background to it. How am I going to add some background to it? I'm going to click on backdrop. When I'll click on backdrop, yes, click on this backdrop, it will open me variety of backdrops I need. So I can choose any. I'm going to choose this blue sky. Okay, what did you see now? That there is a background and the cat is flying in the air. Now we are going to bring this cat down. Let's run our program again. Okay, our background is there. The cat is moving 10 steps 30 times. So everything is going good, and it is bouncing back when it touches the edge. We can also add more sprites to it. So I'll show you. Let's go and click on. Yes. Okay, now you can choose any what sprite you want. Okay, I am looking for something, say I'm going to go and click on people, and I'll choose a girl or a boy running somewhere. I'll choose this one. Okay, now there comes a girl over there. Okay, this is our second sprite. You can also practice your own. You can choose your own sprite. Okay, you can play with it. You can play with your codes in your home. Okay, you can choose any other sprites. So our first Scratch project is finished. Let us run it for the last time and see. Halas, there is nothing to do with that girl, but you can also put codes to that girl also. Okay. Halas, we finished the first project here.